Well, everybody, we are in New York City.
Yes.
And that makes us New York City boys. And it's a little chilly this morning. It's about 40 degrees. And we're down here in the financial district area of Manhattan. And we are walking towards Starbucks. We're going to start our day out there. Yes, we need our morning coffee. But anyway, you guys get to come along with us as we adventure around Manhattan, check out the city, the sights, the smells, the excitement, all that good stuff. Huh?
The views.
The views, absolutely. So come along with us, everyone. All right, everyone, so we have our coffee. And we are standing on the corner of, I don't know where and where, but we're going to check out the
101 Greenwich.
Yes, Greenwich Street, and we're going to check out this little restaurant right here called George's. It's been there for about 50 years, supposed to be good breakfast, so we're going to do that. That's going to be the start of our day with our coffee. And, ooh, my hands are cold. It's a little chilly.
Yep.
Are your cheeks cold? Yeah, yeah, it's a little chilly. All right, let's go get our breakfast.
Bagel nosh, which is a toasted bagel with schmear cream cheese.
We are now sitting here in Battery Park. We just listened to a great little choir. We saw some entertainers doing some street
Performance.
yes, street performance. And there's a huge, huge long line, thousands of people waiting to get on the ferries to go over to the Statue of Liberty, which is directly in front of us. So we're gonna turn the camera around here in a moment and show you. We're just enjoying ourselves here. It's a little chilly, as we said, but not too bad.
That's fine.
No. These little birds down here running around on the ground.
They are like fat.
They're definitely not hungry. They are well fed here in New York.
Perfect.
All right, we are standing in Grand Central Station, and we are going to be dining here in a little bit. This is our friend Art Smith's restaurant called Art Bird Whisky Bar. And yeah, we're going to check this out in a little bit. Juan Carlos is checking out the menu, so let's look at it. So I feel bad we already started eating, but I ordered the buttermilk fried chicken sandwich. Really good. Deviled eggs. Juan Carlos got the Chef Art Smith lunchbox with cheesy grits. And the food is very tasty. So we give it a big thumbs up, right? All right, so we just wrapped up having our lunch here at Art Bird and Whisky Bar, right here in Grand Central Station. Shout out to our good friend Art Smith. You did it. Hit it out of the park. Food was great.
It was great.
Yeah. So we ordered, I had the chicken sandwich, fried chicken. He had the lunchbox. We had some deviled eggs. The cheese grits were amazing. The biscuit, amazing. And yeah, the sweet pickles, really, really nice touch. It gives a good flavor to the sandwich. Anyway, so overall, big thumbs up. If you come to New York and you're in Grand Central Station, check this place out. You can't go wrong, right?